All right, yes, so you are welcome back to the channel. My name is Flavia Bako, and if you are here for the first time, I want you to subscribe to the channel, because here on this channel we explore ways and tools and techniques to identifying winning trades where we can enter and exit profitably and record our profits and then leave the market. Whether you are a day trader or you are a swing trader, you would want to subscribe so that, and then hit the notification bell so that when we post videos of videos like this, you'll be able to get the notification and then watch. Right. For those who have been here, from day one, I appreciate you so much. Continue to like and to comment. All right, today in this video I want us to look at gaps trading. We want to trade gaps. Sometimes you wake up and there are certain assets that you trade, more so when they are your favorite assets, or they are assets that you often look at when you are trading, and then you see that there is either a sharp price move up or a sharp price move down, right? And depending on how you run your analysis, when you are able to put all price action together and you do your technical analysis and you check the news and everything, and then you look at the price move, maybe you will be informed as to what could have led to such a sharp move or sharp move up or down, right? But whatever be the case, usually we want to take advantage of such movements, and then we'll go inside, we record our profit, and then we leave. Remember, sometimes if you are day trading, you don't want to stay too long, and if you are swing trading, maybe you are trading for 3-4 days a week, your contract is like a week long or 3 days long, you may have the luxury of some time. But even that, I still encourage that once your profit records, you exit, right? So here on the chart we are looking at Alibaba. Okay, let me shift myself a little bit. Right, so you can see Alibaba, the name Alibaba on the top, and we have this price that have moved here. 18th of September moved all the way up from let's see, from 84.42 down there all the way to 87.75, right? This was how this price moved, and for some time it's been here and there. It has formed some kind of resistance. It can't break through 87, and it's been like this. And in fact, looking at how it is behaving right here, we may say that it is time for price to reverse, because if you look at it from 84.5 all the way to 87.8, let's even take it that it's been a $3 move up within to 18 to 19 of September 2024. So if you look at this thing, this is a huge move in the price of a stock in just like 2 days. So if you are somebody who is trading options like me, you would want to look at, among other things, you need to do your analysis, you need to use your indicators, you need to check the news, you need to check all that you need to check. And then if all that is compiled, and then you form some kind of confluence as to the way price has gotten to this place, is it time to come down a bit, or is it time, to reverse, or you think it will still move up? Okay, by adding your indicators and adding your analysis, you'll be able to determine whether at this point Alibaba should be coming down or it should be moving up further. All right. Yes. So here, what I want to let you know is that if you look at it very well, from 18 to 19, there's been a gap. And even if you come back to the previous time here, where we have this boom up candle, right? Look at this one. This was on the 16th of September. And 16th of September, it got up all the way from, let's see the price. What is it? 83 to 83.61. It got all the way to 85.64. And that again is a $2 move. If you are somebody who is trading options, a $2 move, if you do your analysis well with your Greeks and then looking at so many other things that you need to employ, then a $2 move is likely to give you more than a almost $200 in that move. All right. But look at it. This was a one-day move. Okay. This is 16 and then 16. 16. All right, let me look at it very well. So here is 16 and the same thing is, okay, 17. So look at it. Maybe it was here, the following day, it just gapped up like that. So if you're a swing trader, so this one, if you were a swing trader and looking at it, you entered from here, it gaps up from here, you'll exit. Okay? And then somebody will look at this gap, okay, and say that, okay, the way this thing gapped up, some way, somehow, gaps may be filled fully or to some point. Okay, now, if you look at it, this is a gap. But look at how Alibaba on the 17th, let's look at how price behaved. It continued to fall. Okay, continued to fall, it continued to fall, it continued to fall all the way down to this point. So if you look at the gap was more than half full. Right. So when you see things like this, it is time to take a closer look at it to see what price is likely to do next. And if I look at this particular price action, I would look at it that, well, this gap has to be filled somehow. So if you combine, your judgment and certain indicators, and then you look at it that, okay, here, if price will go up at all, this has already formed some resistance. So let's try to see how price can reverse. So let's say that if price will behave the same way, and look at it. As for, price action, we look at previous behavior, then it can determine, we get a summary of what future price is likely to behave. So if you look at it, it fell all the way to this place to form, to fill this gap, at least to some point, more than half. So if we are taking the same judgment here, what will happen? Then, well, this is not a financial advice, but this is just for educational purposes and my own experiences that I'm using to analyze this graph. So then, personally, I would want to take my trade from here, all right, and set my stop loss somewhere around 87.95, and then I would like to take profit somewhere around 85.19. So you want to score like a $2 move, even if you are doing, like, you enter a contract for like a 2-day contract or a 3-day contract, options contract, I mean. Yes, so this is how we look at gaps. When prices gaps up or they gap down, then you will have to add other indicators and then analyze very well and see in the life of the asset, in the price life of the asset, what price is trying to do. And then you can take advantage of it. Well, so this is how to look at trading gaps. Yes, so I would like you to take time, look at this very well, and then practice how to trade gaps. And then I would ask you one more time to subscribe. For those who are new to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss anything. And then the old people continue to like and subscribe. And until we meet on the next video, I wish you all the best in your trading journey. Bye.